Well, it's you can moderate. It's my brain.
Never bothered anybody before.
Is that Georgia? Where'd she go? Where'd she go?
Hey.
Daddy!
Hey! Hey! Hey!
Daddy!
You want kisses? You want kisses? Yeah.
Is that like my Taiwanese sun hat? They was asking me where to get them. Is that they're at Leslie's down Bloomingdale?
What? The pool supply store?
Yeah.
Really?
They're lifeguard hats.
Huh.
It's $8. So
I've never seen a lifeguard with that.
Yeah.
Or you can tell them how to get down there to get one.
Alright, cool.
Alright, Georgia. Yeah.
It's okay. It's okay. Hi. Hi. You want kisses from Daddy? You want Daddy kisses? You want this? You know, you want Daddy? No, you want down. Okay, he picked me up. I'm good. Hey, big boy. Ooh, that head gets in the way, huh? That big head gets in the way. Hi. Hi. No eating Daddy's hands, they're gross.
Hi. Wave hi. Get him to wave hi.
What?
Wave hi to him.
What?
Say hi, Grandma.
Hi. Let Grandma wash her hands. And her mouth.
You want to jump?
I'll fill it with alcohol in my mouth.
What's Mama doing?
I'm taking video.
What's Mama doing?
Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Oh, you got it. Oh. Oh. Hey.
Time for a diaper. Sleepy? Were you in the sun?
Yeah.
Oh, that's why we're so sleepy.
I need him to nap beside the little one this morning.
That's why we're sleepy.
Yeah. He was about to fall asleep and Nana came over and thought he was awake, so she picked him up.
That's what she told you?
Somebody's eyes are open.
I'm sure.
Because you went in there and went, it's Nana!
No, she didn't say that when she opened it.
Yes, she did.
She didn't say that when she went in the room.
You dancing?
Chirping like a bird. It's singing.
It didn't bother him. He smiled and gave her love.
You don't like this. It's so funny.
If I would have went in there and saw his eyes open, I would have done the same thing.
His
I
eyes
would say,
didn't
"Kiss it, Grandma."
open.
Ryan.
No. Hey. No, dirty. Ew.
Ew. Is that going to be your word? Ew.
This looks so funny on the video.
Hi.
Say hi,
That's
Grandma.
definitely going to be his first word.
Wave,
Hey.
I'm coming to get your camera.
wave hi.
Got your book?